Hi everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. For those who know me, you know I've got a keen interest in cryptocurrency and investing in crypto, and also recently I've been investing in gold as well. Um, Now I don't know if this will interest you, but I thought I'd post it to the channel anyway, considering a lot of you are already investors. So yeah, I hope this can help. This is a website I've been using recently. It's called buygoldonline.io. They are essentially a price comparison website for buying gold bars and buying gold coins. Also silver, platinum, and palladium, but the majority of it's based around gold. Um, so this is their homepage. It gives you a bit of information about everything. It's quite useful if you're new to gold investment, as they have quite a lot of investment guides, and it's a good place to learn. It's you know, I've been here and reading all these articles. They've also got like a glossary, and you know, there's lots of articles here about learning how to invest in gold. What else have we got here? An investment glossary as well. You know, so because there's quite a lot of words here. But at first, when I was reading this, I didn't have a clue with some of the stuff. I mean, some of the words here obviously also apply to crypto. You know, uh, for instance, bull market. You know, you can bear market. You can apply this to cryptocurrency also. So some of the terms you'll be familiar with, but obviously not all. And this page was extremely helpful for me. Other than that, you can browse various product categories. So, for instance, we've got gold bars here, and you can see a variety of gold bars they have on their website. Let's click into this one. Okay, so you can obviously you see the gold bar there. You've got more information. You can read about the gold bar, the specification of the product, and then they give you kind of links where you can buy this online, which checks the live price of where you can buy it. This one's being sold at the Royal Mint, and yeah, they're selling that for £45.22. So it's quite a good site to find certain deals. And the thing is with gold, what I found, obviously you can pay slightly different prices on different websites. So although you don't save much, it gives you the best price for various pieces of gold, whether it be bars or coins. So you've got all gold coins here as well. You can see they've got a big collection of different world currencies. Let's click in here. Yeah, so this one is the British gold, the Queen's Beasts. And you can see they've got a lot of different offers there for buying that online, with the best at £305.11 for a quarter-ounce gold coin. They have the same with silver. So you've got all your silver bars. You've got your silver coins. All different countries all over the world. They've got all the different coins you can get. Platinum coins, palladium coins. I don't think they've got as many of these. No, not as many as the gold, silver, and platinum. But still, it's still quite useful and good to get information about various coins and bars you can invest in. And the other thing I really like about this site is the resources menu here. Obviously, I've mentioned these investment guides already, but it's these tools as well. So, for instance, let's have a look at this, the gold investment calculator. This is great. So this works. So it's like a historical gold price calculator. So you can check how much you would have made if you'd have invested in gold by a certain date. So let's have a look at this. Where are we? So let's let's say in January 1975, I invested $1,000 in gold. And we set today's date as May 2019. Calculate returns. And it gives you everything there. So if I'd have invested $1,000 in 1975 January, that would be worth $7,005 today. So you can see it's not as you can't make as much as you can on crypto, for instance, if you to invest in a successful cryptocurrency. But then, you know, that's an even more volatile market. And as you all know, you can lose a hell of a lot if you invest in the wrong coin. So this is why I'm dabbling in gold a bit. It just seems like over time it's a fairly solid investment. You can do the same with silver, so you can test how much your silver would be worth nowadays. So let's say we invested $1,000 in silver back then, in January 1968. That'd be worth $7,000 today, so with a 600% increase. So, you know, all these precious metals are fairly solid, you know. Over time, the price just increases. Like I said, it's not as quick as crypto, but you know, it's a sound investment. Let's try with platinum. $1,000, not so much, but still, you'd still be getting a nice return. Another good thing, you've got gold price charts here as well. So I mean, look at this really, you know, you can see there how much this has gone up. I think there was a big spike in sort of 2011, and this I think that was when it's at its highest, and obviously now it's settled down a bit, and it's around $1,300, $1,283 dollars per ounce at the moment. You can do that for silver. Not as solid as gold. Platinum. And also palladium. But you know, for me, there's a clear winner, really. I mean, palladium price charts pretty damn good, as well as gold. I haven't bought any palladium as of yet, but it's something I might look at. But for me, at the moment, it's gold and cryptocurrency. So anyway, I thought you might be interested in this website. Leave some comments below if you like it, if you used it, if you use it already. Otherwise, as usual, subscribe to my channel, share, comment, and yeah, I hope you found this video helpful.